Hi, it's Chester Tuckwell at Blue Pecan Computer Training. In this video, I'm going to show you the code that you need to unhide all worksheets, hidden worksheets within a workbook. There are 3 worksheets in this workbook, but only one is visible. I've got the budgets for the 2 previous years that are currently hidden. So the first step would be to declare a variable for the worksheet. So dim WS as worksheet. Then I'm going to use the for each next structure to reference each of the sheets within my workbook. So I'm going to say for each worksheet in this workbook, the workbook I'm currently working on, and I need to reference the worksheets collection within that workbook. So I would take each of the worksheets, and I'm accessing the visible property, and you should see that there are 3 options for that: hidden, very hidden, or visible. So I want visible, and then obviously I need to do that for each of the worksheets. So next worksheet, so I'll go through and loop through each of the worksheets in this workbook. So let's see if that works. If I press play here, you can see it has in fact unhidden all of those worksheets. Okay, so that is the code. Fairly simple, fairly short and neat. Thank you very much for listening. It's been Chester Tuckwell at Blue Pecan Computer Training.